In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to create high converting landing page for your insurance business so that you can dominate your competition and have results like this one and this one as well for your Google Ads campaign. By the way, I'm Carlos Obado and I've been doing digital marketing and insurance lead generation for the past 12 years. And if you're looking for experts' advice about Facebook ads and Google ads for insurance lead generation, then you came to the right place. Okay, let us begin by enumerating the anatomy of a killer and high converting landing page that is essential when you're doing Google search ads for insurance lead generation. So, number one, you should have attention-grabbing headlines. So this is the attention-grabbing headline, and ideally, it should be very relevant to the keywords that you are targeting. So let's say you are using stags or single theme ad groups, and you have, let's say, 10 keywords in there. Your headline in here should be supporting that theme, all of those 10 keywords basically, that when visitors land on this page, it should be able to affirm that they are on the right place. For example, if they are looking for travel insurance, but they type in life insurance, because travel insurance is under life insurance, right? They should be able to affirm and see life insurance in the headline, just like this one. And the second line, as you can see in here, it shows get a free quote now. So it means if I'm someone who's looking for an insurance quote, then these two headlines confirms that I'm in the right place. Are you ready to take your business or media buying career to the next level? If yes, then you need to learn how to unlock the power of Google Ads. Hi, I'm Carlos Obado, and for over a decade, I've been helping businesses grow exponentially using the power of Google Ads. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to our comprehensive Google Ads course. In this course, you'll learn how to create effective Google Ads, target the right audience and keywords, build highly converting landing pages, optimize campaigns, and much more. If you're ready, just click the link in the description below to enroll. Second component is having strong visual design. As you can see here, the landing page has very clean and minimalist design. When you land here, the first thing that you will notice is the headline and then our CTA or call to action. And the form, it beautifully lays out all the insurance options. So under life insurance, we have term life, we have whole life, non-medical, mortgage, senior life, travel. You can have IUL in there as well, or even cancer and health and dental insurance. Now, if let's say you are doing property insurance, so let's say home insurance. Under home insurance, you should have homeowners, new home, landlord, renters, and even mobile home. Regarding the colors, it should be clean as well. So in here, I'm only using some type of purple and then green. If you are targeting brands, branded terms, and carriers, then you can also copy their colors just to mimic the brand. So the next component is to have persuasive content. So in here, of course, the headline should be persuasive. We have discussed about that. Having these options already right on the form to make it persuasive is a must. And if we scroll down, your supporting text should also be persuasive, just like this one. I just simply explained here why they need to get a quote from the company in 3 steps. Another example is the same, but this time I added 4 reasons why they need to get a quote from us. Now you can also add this under the sub headline, or the header rather. You can add a sub headline, subtext in here. So you can add it here as well. So that's another option that you can do. The next step is to have a clear call to action and only one call to action. As you can see here in my examples, I only have one call to action. Let's erase this for the meantime. Only one call to action. I'm using a form, a conversation style form. This one is GHL. I also recommend leadcapture.io. You can also use make forms, and also sometimes I also use question scout. But yeah, let's get back to here. This form is very clear, and once they land on this page, they can see the form and all the options relevant to the keywords that they are searching. Again, if this is for, let's say, home insurance, then you should add home owners, landlord, renters, mobile in there as well. So this two right here, number one, this is the header. Number two is the form or call to action. This should be included in the above the fold. An optional in here is to add a subtext or sub headline right here. They should be clearly visible in the above the fold on both desktop, PC, and mobile devices. And this is going to be the bread and butter of a highly converting landing page for insurance lead generation, especially when you're running Google Ads traffic. So that's the bread and butter. Now, beneath this, it's going to be below the fold. And in there, you can add supporting copies. You can also add reviews and testimonials if you have reviews on Trustpilot, Google, other third-party review websites, and even on Facebook. If you have reviews on Facebook, you can add them here. You can add social proof if you have video testimonials. So those things will help with the conversion rate because it will improve the trust and credibility of your brand. And lastly, your mobile optimization needs to be very good. Actually, when you are creating the landing page or your developer, you need to instruct them that it needs to be designed mobile first. That's number one. And then number two, it needs to load very fast on both mobile and desktop. Mainly because around 70% of the traffic now comes from mobile devices. So that's the secret. That's the anatomy of a highly converting landing page. And that's what gave me these results. So this one has been with me for around 8-9 years now. With these results, around 8,000 leads. And this one has been with me for around 4 years now. And the closing rate of these leads, by the way, are at around 20%. So for around 7,600 leads, 20% of those are closed into actual policy buyers. If you find this video helpful, I'm pretty sure you will also find this video to be very helpful as well. Because in there, I will show you how I'm able to generate almost 8,000 leads with over 80% closing rate into actual policy buyers.